My name is Abdul Karim Qureshi, and in this video I want to teach you about how to log in and log out from your Binance exchange. First of all, open the website binance.com and you will see a login button here. Click the login button here and now type your email address here and type your password here and click the login button again, and now you will see a security verification. Click it and you will be directed to the dashboards. Right now you can see your dashboard here, the wallet and everything here. Now you can trade easily. Okay, now you are logged in to your account and verification is required here. Get verification, you have to provide verify your mobile number and 2FA everything, yeah, which will required. I already been discussed in my previous video. You can watch that, how to verify account on Binance account, Binance exchange. Okay, and if you want to sign out after working, you can log out from here. For example, you want to log out or sign out from your Binance exchange, you can find this button here and click the log out button. You will be automatically logged out from your Binance exchange. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video and share with your friend. Thank you.